Hey guys, my name is Bakar Khan and this is Jokhio apps. In previous video we have covered text view and edit text. Today we will cover button and image view. So what is the button? The button is a user interface element. The user can tap or click to perform an action. Button is a child of text view, so it is almost similar. Only difference is visual appearance. In Android Studio it comes with some predefined styles, but in sketchware, as we are using blocks, you have to follow same steps to give it a style, whether it is a text view or the button. Now let's move forward to the image view. Image view displays image resources, for example bitmap or drawable resources. Image view is also commonly used to apply tints to an image and handle image scaling. One advantage of using image view is setting color filter. For example, I have created this a kind of bottom navigation bar. On clicking an image, I am changing its color filter and all others to white. Originally these images are white because color filter works best on white. And you can also change the scale type. Most commonly used scale types are fit XY and fit center. You can do a lot of things with the image view. That's all for the day. See you in next video. If you are beginner, consider watching our playlist for beginners.